Hi, this is Tablet Store UK and we're going to take a look around the WinPad UH, our rather unique handheld 5-inch Windows tablet that incorporates a full QWERTY keyboard and an array of data capture options, including on this particular handheld barcode and MSR, but also fingerprint scanner, smart card, RFID and the option of a built-in thermal printer. As it's sitting at the moment, it's currently sitting in its docking station, which is a very handy accessory, and it's very easy to dock and lift out of the dock, so the device just lifts out upwards. If we take a look at the bottom of the device, then you can take a look at the docking connector there. A charging connector, so it can either charge either off the dock or be charged directly, and two full-size USBs. And a cover for the ports there. So to slide that back on is quite easy. You just rest it on the docking connector, slide downwards, and you're in the docking connection. Just slide that out, put the cover back on, take a little look around the docking connector itself. So you can just about see inside there some pins. This is so that you can charge a spare battery at the back of the docking station. So you slide a spare battery into there so you can charge both the tablet and a spare battery at the same time. DC power in over on the right hand side next to an RJ45 LAN connector. Very handy 4 full-size USB ports, a COM port and a 15-pin VGA out port. At the front of the docking station are lights to indicate power and charging status. Take a look around the outside of the PDA itself. First of all, just take a close-up view over the keyboard. Starting at the top of the pad, we've got lights for wireless battery and power indicators and a power button, 4-way direction and an enter button, dedicated buttons for barcode scanning, printing and camera functions, variety of keyboard functions, then onto the curved keyboard, almost a sort of BlackBerry layout with a slight smile shape to the key layout, and number keys and down both sides F keys, as well as a variety of functions reached using the function key that are written on the keys in blue. On the left edge of the device is another port cover for another USB port and headphone socket. On the right hand edge of the device we have our data capture module. You can have a choice of no module here, which is fine, or this module is a 1 and 2D barcode scanner and magnetic swipe reader. You can choose to have either one or both of those options. The alternative is another expansion module which has a fingerprint scanner, RFID reader and smart code reader, and again you can have 1, 2 or 3 of those in that module. You can't unfortunately combine the options in this module and the other module. It is one or the other. And then on the top of the device there's nothing on this unit, but you can just about see, I think, the screw points and fittings for an expansion here, which is for a thermal printer. So you can have an optional thermal printer built into the device. There's a stylus which is attached on a lanyard and fixed into the device, so actually a stylus that you won't lose, which is quite handy. And if we flip over and take a look at the back of the device, you see that we've got a rear-facing camera with a good flash facility there. You've got a flexible hand strap on the device, which can be adjusted, and behind the hand strap is a battery. Behind the battery are located the SIM card slot and micro SD slot, and the battery locks in via the catch there. You can just see that moving up and down. That locks the battery in place. Just take a quick look at the barcode reading function, as that module is on this device. So we've got the dedicated barcode reading button there, and you'll see if I point that down at the table, we've got the barcode reading light, and if I put a barcode down in front of us, you see we get a very quick read there into Notepad. If I just do a few quick reads to show you how quickly we can pick up the barcode. Device is currently running Windows 7 Professional, but it's also capable of running Windows XP Professional or Windows XP Embedded. We do have an embedded build for this device. The screen resolution is currently set at 800 by 480, but the Intel GMA 500 graphics card in the device is capable of running a 1024 by 768 resolution. It's not the native resolution of the screen, however, so it's an interpolated resolution, but if you have applications or a need to run a higher resolution, then it is possible, and there's the device running 1024 by 768, so the text isn't quite as crisp, but if you have an application that just has large buttons, for example, something that you need to scale to that resolution, then at least it is there as a possibility. The native resolution, however, is the 800 by 480. Wireless options include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, either 2.5 or 3.5G data, as well as GPS. This device is configured with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and 3G, utilizing the Huawei EM770W module and the Mobile Connect software as they are on the desktop, as well as the mobile broadband connection would be available via the Windows 7 wireless menu as well. The device is IP53 protected against dust and water, so that's limited ingress from dust, no harmful deposits from dust, and the 3 in the IP53 specification for ingress from water is for 60-degree sprays of water, so you have got a good level of resistance to water. Certainly splashes of water are not going to be a problem. It's drop tested to 1.2 meters, so you have got protection against shock and vibration there, as well as protection against high humidity, and the operating temperature range is from 0 to 50 degrees. Thanks for watching. For more information and pricing, head to tabletstoreuk.com.